This is the new Spectre Black Badge, the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever built. And in the case of this one, probably the most purple as well. In this video today, we're going to be finding out how fast it is on an actual racetrack. We're going to be finding out if its new, more aggressive character has ruined its waftability on the road. And we're going to be poking around every nook and cranny of that very colourful interior to find out if this really is a car worth close to £500,000. And we're also going to be talking to the CEO, Chris Brownridge, to find out what this Black Badge business is all about. So like the standard car, we have two electric motors, one on each axle for four-wheel drive, and in normal mode, it produces 577 horsepower. That's the same as the standard Spectre. However, we now have a new Infinity mode. Infinity, by the way, that is the symbol for the Black Badge sub-brand. And when you hit that button on the steering wheel, it unlocks an extra 73 horsepower, taking the total to 650 horsepower. But there's more, because there's also another mode called Spirited mode. This boosts torque from 660 to 793 pounds-feet and is essentially launch control. Yep, launch control in a Rolls-Royce.
The ability to unlock extra performance is said to be inspired by the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine that powered Spitfires in the Second World War and allowed pilots to call on bursts of extra thrust to escape sticky situations. Anyway, as luck would have it, we have a racetrack to ourselves specifically to put this to the test.
Okay, so Rolls-Royce claim that this car can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in 4.1 seconds, so that's 3/10 faster than the standard Spectre, and is frankly outrageous for a car that weighs, well, almost 3 tons. But before we do the full launch control, see if we can get 4.1 seconds, I'm going to try 0 to 60 just in standard mode. So 577 horsepower, same amount of power as the standard Spectre, and see what we get on this cheap, hastily procured 0 to 60 app I've got here on my phone. So foot on the brake, car in D, and off we go. That is still quite accelerative. 4.4 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Bang on what it should do. That is the claimed 0 to 60 for the standard Spectre, and we had the same amount of power as the standard Spectre. This is all making sense. All right, so here we go. We're going to stop on the line and we'll try that again. We'll put it in Infinity mode, which unlocks all the power. We'll start our 0 to 60 going. You stomp on the brake, you stomp on the accelerator.